Hello farming fans and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we want to show you the new player in the mid-range tractor segment. Well, the tractor is new, the name however brings back a lot of memories for us. More or less 30 years to the day after production of the Favorit 600 tractors was phased out, Fendt is now finally introducing their incredibly modern successor. For this new test drive video, we also had to tap into our video archives. Enjoy! The 600 Vario series will consist of 4 models in the power range between 149 and 209 horsepower. Thanks to the added power concept, 224 horsepower is now even possible. Under the bonnet is a new 5-litre engine from AGCO Power that was developed in-house. We were lucky enough to have the opportunity to try out the new 4-cylinder tractors from Market Oberdorf, including the top-of-the-range 620 Vario. The spacious Visio Plus cab was taken from the 500 series and was also used on the 7. In the future, 600 drivers will be able to choose to have the optional premium seat, which can be adjusted individually via the terminal and has a massage function. The Fendt 1 operating concept has now been rolled out across all Fendt series, and is of course also available in the new 600. The command center, which consists of a multi-function joystick and 3 screens, has been equipped with a new innovative feature that seems to be available on more than just the 600, as you can see from these photos. The optional steering joystick on the left armrest can be used to move the tractor from side to side and forwards and backwards, and to activate the satellite track guidance system. In our test drive of the Fendt Ideal 10, we already explained the advantages of being able to drive without a steering wheel. However, there's no such thing as totally steering wheel-free driving with tractors yet. This system can be used when travelling at speeds below 25 km an hour, and so can be used for pretty much all fieldwork and front-loader applications. We thought that it was particularly worth highlighting Fendt's efforts to introduce the steering joystick for all tractors equipped with Fendt 1 from the 500 Vario onwards, and to offer it as a piece of retrofit kit for around €5,000. During our test drive, we were able to try out the steering joystick on a 700. High-tech features and innovative power have always played a major role in the design and development of the 600. A look back in history and in our landtechniquevideos.de film archive. The story of the Favorit 600 series started back in 1972 with the 610, 611 and 612S. At the time, the tractor was still classed as a large tractor, as it had a maximum of 120 horsepower. The 6-cylinder sold well, and Fendt pressed ahead with development. Due to their comprehensive equipment package and the Turbomatic hydraulic coupling, tractors like the Favorit 615 were popular workhorses among agricultural businesses and contractors. The series kept the same square design until 1993 and developed a cult following. The flagship vehicle from that Favorit 600 series was the 626 LS with 252 horsepower. These shots were recorded during a visit to an arable farmer and tractor collector during our Modern Classic Tractors XXL movie project. Two cylinders were removed during the evolution of the 600 series, in line with the general trends in engine development at the time. With their latest innovation, Fendt has been able to branch out into a heavily populated market segment and offer their customers an almost unlimited range of functions, just like with their large tractors. These functions also include automatic turning on headlands, which worked incredibly well during our test drive. When it comes to the terminal, it's definitely worth mentioning the fully integrated tyre pressure control system, which delivers 850 litres per minute when the vehicle is moving at a nominal speed and has a system pressure of 8 bars. For the tyres, the new series also has a clever tool which should make mounting wheel weights a lot easier. Now, in terms of price, the 600 Vario should be around the same as the tractors from the 700 Vario Gen 6 series. As such, the 620 Vario should hit the market with a net starting price of around €260,000. The electrically powered e100 Vario will definitely make an exciting topic for a new test drive video. Fendt already presented the prototypes of this vehicle a few years ago and hopes to start series production in 2024. For the partial load range, when working with light implements for example, Fendt estimates that the e-Vario will have an operating time between 4 and 7 hours. You can find other test drive videos on tractors, forage harvesters and combines in the test drive section on our YouTube channel. We've also published a series of photos of the new 600 Vario in our media library online on farmworld.com.